Aqua. Well done. And nose, a little circle. Now, draw 2 ears. And mouth. Orange red. Draw its eyebrows. Black. Fantastic! And now, draw the puppy's body. And 2 paws. And 2 more paws. Now, add a funny tail. He is scratching and barking.
Oh, oh. Oh, oh.
Play with your own drawing. Press the buttons and swipe the screen.